Listen, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you think my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world.
Greetings, YouTube. Align on these back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here in Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in this morning's video, YouTube, I owe you guys an apology. This morning's video, YouTube, is indeed about 2 trees that we actually planted here in our front yard garden extended grow area at the beginning of the grow season, YouTube. That's right, we actually planted these 2 trees here in our front yard garden extended grow area at the beginning of this grow season, YouTube. And we haven't brought you guys a single update on these 2 trees since we planted them here in our front yard garden extended grow area. So again, YouTube, and all of our subscribers, we apologize to you guys ahead of time for taking such a long time to actually bring you guys an update on these 2 trees. So again, this morning, YouTube, I'm going to give you guys a first time look at these 2 trees, give you the background on these 2 trees, give you the story on them, how they came to be, and what the struggles were to actually grow these 2 trees, and give you guys a look at what they actually look like right here and right now, and give you guys an idea of what we actually, of the plans that we actually have for one of those trees here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Hang tight, I'm going to spin this camera around for you guys right now and give you guys a first time look at these 2 trees here in our front yard garden extended grow area. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, this morning's video is indeed about our 2 Meyer lemon tree seedlings that we were indeed able to germinate from seeds here in our front yard garden extended grow area during the winter months in our greenhouse, during our greenhouse overwintering experiment. Again, our apologies, YouTube. We should have long ago brought you an update on our 2 Meyer lemon tree seedlings. We were indeed able to successfully germinate 8 Meyer lemon tree seedlings during our greenhouse overwintering experiment. We told you guys that we would keep 2 of those Meyer lemon tree seedlings for ourselves, and we would give the other remaining 6 Meyer lemon tree seedlings away or sell them to some of our customers here in our local area. Again, we kept 2 of those Meyer lemon tree seedlings for ourselves, YouTube, and this YouTube, again, along with our apologies, is what our Meyer lemon tree seedlings are currently looking like right here, right now, at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, YouTube, at month 6. That's right, YouTube. We've had these 2 Meyer lemon tree seedlings growing in our front yard garden extended grow area for the past 6 months. And this is what our first Meyer lemon tree seedling looked like right here, right now, after 6 months of growth here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam. Can you guys see that, YouTube? Can you guys see just how indeed lovely our first Meyer lemon tree seedling is looking right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia? If you've been following the video series on our greenhouse overwintering experiment, you would know that this particular Meyer lemon tree seedling here had some growth issues from the start. This was actually the tiniest of all of the 8 Meyer lemon tree seedlings that we were indeed able to successfully propagate. We actually kept this particular seedling just to see if we could indeed get it to grow to a normal size, and produce fruit. Again, it had some growth issues from the beginning. For approximately the past 3 months, YouTube, this Meyer lemon tree seedling looked nothing like this. About 3 months ago, this Meyer lemon tree seedling was about half its current size, and it was a pale green, almost in between green and yellow color here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B. We weren't getting as much rain at that time as we're currently getting at this time, but all of my seedlings, plants, garden plants, everything, flowers here in my yard, I keep them watered anyway, regardless to what the forecast says. I water my plants daily, regardless of what the forecast says, YouTube. And again, approximately about 3 months ago, our first Meyer lemon tree seedling took on a growth spurt. I don't know what happened. Maybe again, it's due to the fact that we're getting a lot more rain than we were getting earlier in the growth season. It has put on quite a lot of growth. It has indeed branched out, although we have not pruned it in any way or cropped it in any way. It currently has about 6 branches, including this top branch, well, 7 branches, including this top branch up here on the top, and it's looking fantastically well, YouTube. But again, this particular Meyer lemon tree seedling had growth issues from the start. It was a tiny, tiny, tiny thing when we planted it here. It was about 1/4 the size of our other Meyer lemon tree seedling when we planted it in its current location. I'm gonna take you guys over there to our second Meyer lemon tree seedling and show you exactly what it's looking like as opposed to what this Meyer lemon tree seedling currently looks like. Hang tight, YouTube. All right, YouTube, here we are at the location where we have our second Meyer lemon tree seedling planted, YouTube. And when I show you this Meyer lemon tree seedling, you're not gonna believe that it actually germinated at the same time that our first Meyer lemon tree seedling germinated. It looks nothing like our first Meyer lemon tree seedling. Take a look for yourself, YouTube. Bam! Can you guys see the tremendous amount of growth that our second Meyer lemon tree seedling has put on in approximately the past 6 months, YouTube? In approximately the past 6 months. Our second Meyer lemon tree seedling, YouTube, although the recent storm we had here last night laid it over a little bit, is every bit of 2 feet tall here in our front yard garden extended grow area, and it is indeed looking fantastically well. Check out those thorns, those classic citrus tree thorns that you can find on any citrus tree. Can you guys see this growth, YouTube? Again, germinated at the same time, using the same method in the same seed germination trays as our first Meyer lemon tree seedling over there on the other side of Sweet Baby Red. Yet, this Meyer lemon tree seedling is about 6 times larger than our other Meyer lemon tree seedling currently is right now at the Green Thumb Garden Channel here at Grow Zone 8B, Tifton, Georgia. Our Meyer lemon tree seedlings, YouTube, and we couldn't possibly be more pleased by what we see in the amount of growth that our Meyer lemon tree seedlings that we germinated from seed have put on in approximately the past 6 months, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Again, our second Meyer lemon tree seedling, every bit of 2 feet tall, right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Compared again, YouTube, to our first Meyer lemon tree seedling that is just about to reach a height of about 10 inches here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Again, this little guy had some serious growth issues from the front, from the beginning, from the very start. It had some serious growth issues, YouTube. But look how well it's doing now. Look how well our first Meyer lemon tree seedling is looking right here, right now at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. And this particular Meyer lemon tree seedling, YouTube, this particular Meyer lemon tree seedling has a new home. That's right, YouTube. We're gonna dig this Meyer lemon tree seedling up, secure its roots and its root ball and the soil around that root ball in some clear plastic wrap, get it boxed up, and overnight it to my sister out in Texas. Amy, this one's for you, sis. I told you on Instagram last night that I did indeed have a Meyer lemon tree seedling for you, that I would indeed get it boxed up and mailed out to you as soon as possible. I'm sorry that your first Meyer lemon tree seedling didn't do so well for you out there, Amy, but this one's for you, sis. This one is indeed for you, Amy, and I will be getting this boxed up and in the mail to you within the next several days. Thanks for watching YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Meyer lemon trees from seed right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Thanks for watching, YouTube.
Ain't out here guessing, I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you think my grinding must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last time. So make the microphone smoke when I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap scene. It was 2019 and I got the whole world listening. They gather around me to keep one from all the heat I bring. And I tell you, so why y'all haters out there hating me? Why y'all hating? 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 This instrumental remind me of Frankie Beverly and May. So I'm taking you back when rap was real in the old days. More than a man, I'm like a lion trying to expand. And the world's against me, so I came up with a different plan. No more 9 to 5 working for the other man. And don't trust the media, my destiny is in my hand. Done came a long way from where this lion first began. Won't let nobody make me hate the color of my skin. No matter where we're from, America is where we live. Ain't not here dissing others, but I'ma tell it like it is. Everybody say they praying for some better days, but this world will never change until we stop the hate. Why